So we're back out here with Chamoy. The head gasket's blown on this motor. The LSV is not going to be done anytime soon. Still need a lot of parts, a lot of money. So we're going to take this head off. Hopefully it's just a head gasket, because I'm getting a lot of blow by. See if we find anything else, but for right now I'm going to get this head off and we'll see what else we find. Hopefully we'll get this thing running again back on the road. Alright, so we got the head off. Gasket, I don't know how well you can see it. There's no real damage or nothing you can see. The coating's coming up. I don't know if that will really affect it or not. You can see the coating coming up everywhere. But the motor itself, can't see any damage anywhere. Pistons all still look good. The rings on these pistons were gapped a little bigger to be able to boost the motor safely. So hopefully we could just get a head gasket in here and be all good to go. So I just gotta get a head gasket now, clean all this stuff up, and redo all the timing and everything, and we'll get back to you guys once I got all the parts.